Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're catching up with Alan Tudge, former Australian federal politician and minister. After a long and controversial career, many wonder, where is Alan Tudge now? Let's break it all down. Alan Tudge is an Australian politician who served as a Liberal Party member of the House of Representatives from 2010 to 2023. He held multiple ministerial portfolios, including education and youth, urban infrastructure, population, and citizenship and multicultural affairs under the Morrison government. His career was marred later by allegations of misconduct, bullying, and controversy over the robo-debt scheme. In February 2023, Tudge announced his resignation from federal politics, citing health concerns and threats against him and his family. His resignation triggered a by-election in his seat of Aston, which was subsequently won by Labour's Mary Doyle, marking a significant political shift in that electorate. Since leaving politics, Tudge has kept a lower public profile, though he has hinted at returning to advisory or private sector roles. Where is Alan Tudge now? As of now, Alan Tudge is no longer in Parliament. He has stepped away from frontline politics and is reportedly involved in advisory or consultancy work. LinkedIn suggests he's taken roles in advisory capacities following his political career. He is not currently a public office holder. Alan Tudge's move from high office to private life reflects a dramatic change after years in the spotlight. Whether he will eventually return to public service or remain in behind-the-scenes roles remains to be seen, but for now, he's a former politician navigating a quieter chapter in life.